I wanna be down. Hi, my name's Quen, and I'm really good at looking crazy. I'm really good at it. So I'm looking real bizarre. Like, I look really weird. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you've never been here. My name is Quen, and I have an unhealthy need to read comment sections of Facebook posts that I have no business reading. I have for you all a 90s grunge inspired makeup look. Let's call this Quen Takes the 90s. No, just kidding. But yeah, it's a 90s inspired makeup look. Really quick and easy, actually. I did this in like 5 minutes. Well, okay, that's a lie. It would have been 5 minutes had I not been talking, but I was talking. So yeah, but the video is only about to be like 5 to 7 minutes. That's pretty good for me, and you know it. You know it. If you've never been here before, though, I should warn you, I'm a talker. I make kind of long videos, but I'm working on making shorter ones for you all. So just bear with me. I'm getting better at this. I'm working on it as we go. But without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep watching. But also, while you are here, I invite you, I implore you, I urge you, like those words, to subscribe to my channel. Join the family. Just keep updated on my life. I just want to bring you a quick little tutorial. This is going to be a real nice and simple, short and sweet tutorial. Kind of 90s inspired, kind of grungy. We're doing really cool tones today. Maybe like only 2 or 3 looks, not two or three colors, nothing too dramatic. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in. We are going to be working with a couple different palettes today. So the Prissy Princess palette from MAC Cosmetics. Mine is super dirty. And I'm also going to be using my 3502 palette from Morphe. So we're going to go ahead and use, for the first color, what is this called? We're going to be using Dust, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use a 217 brush, and I'm going to just kind of sweep that in my crease, but pretty much haphazardly all over my lid. And then we're going to go into this color called Muddy, which is right here. Can you see that? Okay. This is the darkest we're going to go, and that's just going to be kind of outer half of the lid. Let's hop over to the Prissy Princess palette, and we're going to switch brushes. We're going to go to my 242 brush. So we're going to take these 2 colors, pretty much just right those, that's all, maybe even this one, but they're kind of frosty, very gray toned, very 90s, and just throw those on the lid, just throw those on. Actually, instead of hopping back to the 3502 palette, let's just use this color right here. I wish I remember the name of it for you. I don't. So, and I lost a little paper that it came with. And we're just going to take that into this outer part of my eyeball. And we're starting from the bottom and then wrapping our way up. I went kind of wild there, though, so just take that down a bit. But yeah, and then we'll just dust whatever else is on there over. Okay. Then you're going to go back to your 224 brush, which we used earlier, and we're just going to kind of dry brush it just to make sure everything blends nicely. We don't have any hard edges. You could even make the eyelids smokier if you want to, which I might. But in the 90s, they were just very much about like simplicity in the looks. So just let it be what it is. Clean it up as you go. They use a lot of fingers and all that good stuff back then. So yeah. I'm going to tightline because that's pretty much a must for a 90s inspired look. I'm going to be using my Squid Modern Twist Kajal liner from MAC. So I wouldn't do like a liquid liner necessarily for a 90s inspired look, but if you want the appearance of a liner, what I would do is take a black eyeshadow and then take a liner brush of some sort. And then what you're going to want to do is just kind of smudge it along your lash line. Just kind of like dashing motions. Just to give you that depth without giving you like a harsh line. Good enough for me. Good enough for me. That's enough with the shadows. If you want to go super 90s, you would take a color to highlight underneath your eyebrow with. So maybe something like this highlight tone right here. And the way that I would do that is just take a brush, even just use your finger, and then just pop it right here. It was very frosty. a little too light bright for my preferences, but we'll just do a little bit of it just to keep with the mood. But I feel like if you're gonna do that, you might as well do a little bit in the inner corner. And this is when it takes a little bit more of a 2018 type of vibe, because they didn't do a ton of this inner corner highlight back then, I find. I always tell people that if you're gonna do a smoky eye, keep it nice and bright the closer to your nose that you go, just so it doesn't really close down the face. So yeah. Now let's go ahead and do some mascara. We'll pop on the lashes, and then we'll finish up the rest of the face. And the lashes that I'm going to be using today are the Lily lashes in Goddess. So they look like that, a little bit more on the wispy side, so at least it won't be too dramatic for this type of look. So if you're feeling uber 90s, you're gonna leave your skin a lot like this, where you don't really have a lot of highlight going on, don't have a lot of contour going on, you're not really super matte, because in the 90s, like, it was very much that like whole celebrity skin type of deal. Like, you didn't see, in my opinion, super perfected, super like highlighted and contoured looks, at least not on red carpets a lot, and not for a good long time. But I am not that much of a product of the 90s. Okay, I like my highlight and my contour, so I'm going to be mixing my, no I'm not, we don't use you. I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible Pro Glow, whatever the hell the name is. While my under eyes are setting, let's go ahead and contour with my Fenty Beauty matchsticks. Matchstick, I only have one of them. I'm going to set my under eyes today by baking. I just want to see what it does today. No, I'm not. I'm too scared. I can't do that. No. We're gonna at least, okay, I'm gonna at least set my under eyes with a little bit of my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder before I bake, because I just feel like it just, I don't know, it just makes it better. Don't know how long I'm gonna leave this on though. I'm not gonna contour with my NW58 powder today, because I don't wanna go too contoured, because it's not very 90s of me. I will just hit it with my NW55 for more like a bronzed type of look. If you are a 90s kid, you know, or if you are a 90s lover, you know that the lip was all about those like brown, cool tones. So let me go grab Chestnut. I don't know where it is right now. Okay, friends, I have no idea what happened, but I somehow lost my ending clip where I thanked you all so much for watching and I wrapped up the video and all that good stuff, but I will do so right now as you watch me put on my lips. Like I said, though, thank you for watching. I will list everything that I use in the description box below, and I have a new video coming up on Sunday, so definitely keep an eye out for that, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Bye, friends.